Protect your basement. Small pumps that kick water out fast when storms hit. First, Aquastrong Submersible Thermoplastic Portable Swimming. $49.99 gets a 1/5 HP thermoplastic pump that's portable and corrosion-resistant, great for emergency drain downs and seasonal basement dampness control. Second, CDU 790 Submersible Integrated Vertical Switch. $129.99 supplies a 1/2 HP cast iron unit with a vertical float switch for automatic operation. It's built for frequent use and heavier water removal when storms or high groundwater arrive. Third, CDU 980E Submersible Stainless Integrated Vertical. $149.99 is a 3/4 HP stainless model with an integrated switch, made for durability in tougher conditions and longer runtimes in wet seasons. Fourth, Superior Pump 91250 Submersible Thermoplastic. $59.99 offers a 1/4 HP automatic thermoplastic pump for light sump duties and occasional backups. Compact and easy to install in smaller sumps. TRUPOW Submersible Portable Thermoplastic Electric. $44.99, 1/6 HP, is ultra-portable for quick spot pumping and small leaks. Keep it as an emergency kit item for fast response in localized flooding.